So hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. It's me Suman, and this is Google CloudReady Facilitator program 2022, and we are about to start our new quest. So up to here, quest 1, 2, 3 is done. So today we're going to start quest 4. So let's start it. Click for this quest 4 link, Kubernetes in the Google Cloud, and we'll see this page. And now let's click this enroll in the quest button and we need to sign in, so let me sign in first. Okay, so I have signed in and it says that you have successfully enrolled in the Google Cloud. So that's it, and we'll start completing this quest. So we see that in progress we have only one quest active, that is Kubernetes in the Google Cloud. So let's start completing this. So this will be our first introduction to Docker. So let's start. Click the start lab button. Okay, so click it once again and open it. Use this password. Click next button, type the password here, click next button and click accept it, and this will take few seconds, so let's wait a little bit and we need to select it. So click I agree and continue. So this is done now. So let's start our lab. This is the quest for lab 1, introduction to Docker. So scroll down, use Chrome browser, use incognito window, see incognito window, Chrome browser, and scroll down. First step to activate the cloud shell. So click this button at the top. This is the for activating the cloud shell. So just click it and this will take a little bit time. So let's read inside this lab sheet. They have mentioned we have to run this code. Yeah, this is just the basic code which you run. And let's run the whole both code. G cloud authorized list. Paste it here. Click this authorize button and let's list our project ID. Okay, this is the same quick project ID. Okay, so hello world. Open the cloud shell, enter the following command to run hello world container to get started. Okay, so paste it and press enter key. Okay, so this is done. A little bit up. And after this, following command will take a look at the container image. So copy and paste it here. Okay, that is 7 months ago. Okay, no problem. Now I need to run it. So and paste this here and finally look the running container. So copy and paste it here. So there is no any container listed. Okay, so these are the two. So scroll down. Okay, so we see that we have got something similar output like this one, no? And these are our ID the containers 1 and 2. So almost it is ready now. So let's start building process. Copy it, the first one, paste it here. Okay, so just in the directory. Now copy this whole code, create a Docker file. So paste it here, press enter key. Done. We have just saved this information inside the Docker file. Now scroll down a little bit and run the following to create the node application. So copy this whole text and paste it here. Because we are creating a file app.js and we are just writing this whole of this text inside that file. So simple. Okay, now copy this, paste it here. Okay, so just wait a few seconds. It might take a couple of minutes for this command to execute. Finish executing. When it does, you'll see some output like this one. So let's wait. Okay, so process is started, so we need to wait. So let's wait. When it is done, we will start reading further. So let's wait. Okay, so this is done. You've got similar output. So that's okay. Now let's run the following command to look at the image you built. Okay, so copy it, paste it here, press enter key. Yeah, node app, node, hello world. Nice. In this module, we use this code to run the container based on this image you build. So copy this whole text carefully, paste it here, and okay. So server is started here. Can you see it? Okay, no problem. Now open this curl command in another terminal, and you can see this one. So we are not able to see at this location, but we can see using, but it is not necessary. So you can close it. Let's close it. Close the initial terminal and run the following command to stop and remove the container. Okay, so if you the container will run as long as terminal is running. If you want the container to run in the background, you need to dash D, close the initial terminal and run the following command to stop and remove the container. Okay, so you have to click edit button. So edit and close this initial one, and this is the new one, and we have to run this code, paste it here, press enter, and let's wait little bit here. Okay, so this is done. Now run the following command to start the container in the background. So copy it, paste it here, press enter, and now scroll down. You can get the log by using this command, and you have to replace the container ID. Paste it here. Okay, so this content is running at the background. Nice. Now let's run this code. Cd test edit. Now we have to edit app.js with the text editor with choice, for example, nano or vm. Replace hello world with another string. So copy this file name and type here nano space and file name. Press enter and scroll down with your arrow key on the keyboard. And where is hello world? Inside constant server http, constant server http. Okay, so it is here now. I see it. It is this here. Just you to replace this text with another string. Welcome to cloud or something like this. So copy this text, copy it, and delete it. Just press the delete key and paste it here. And press Ctrl plus O to save. Press enter and Ctrl plus X to exit. Okay, this is done. Now copy this code, paste it here, press enter. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so this is done, and we have got the similar output. Nice. Okay, it is done now. Now we notice in the step 2 using the string catch layer. Now run the following container with the new image version. Notice that you have mapped host port at 8080 instead of 80. So we cannot use the port for the one because it's already in use. Okay, no problem. Now copy this code, paste it here, press enter key. Okay, so we have got our container ID and the image version 1, 2. Now scroll down. You can use this call code or leave this one. So let's debug it. Just see. Let's see. First we'll go and check both of them. Copy this code, paste it here, and remove this container ID and copy this container ID and paste it here. Press enter key. Okay, so we got the server is running at here. It's just checking the log. Wait, is stuck at. Sometimes you see you want to start interacting base plus enter the following command. Okay, so after this, click this plus button and we need to copy it, paste it here, and we have to type the same container ID and press enter key. So after this, copy it, paste it here. Docker file lib.js is inside this. Nice. Let's exit it. Good. Can examine the container metadata in Docker using this inspect. Okay, so we can skip this step because it's just examine debugging step. So skip it. Now let's think about the publish button. Okay, you can find your project ID using this link. Yeah, this is the project ID. No need to worry. And now we have to run some codes. So copy this and paste it here. Copy your project ID and replace it here. Paste it here and press enter key. Okay, this is done. Now copy and paste it here. Nice. Now push this image to this here. Remember to replace project ID. So copy it and copy your project ID and using the arrow key on your keyboard and delete it. Paste it here and press enter key. You can close that terminal. Okay, this will take a little bit time. Okay, done. So this is done. You can check it or just leave it. Now stop and remove all the containers. So copy and paste it here. Press enter key. Okay, this is done. You have to remove the child image. This one and let's open the notepad. Paste it here. Copy project ID and replace it here. Now copy everything and paste it here. Press enter key. Okay, so this is done. Now you can check our tags. Good. Everything is done. So that's it. Okay, that's it. No need to run this code. So that was so easy. Nothing to think much more about this. It was so easy. So let's end this lab. Click submit button. Give a star rating. Submit it, and that's it. So see you in the next video. Thank you.